Mark Zuckerberg plays Jenga and chess in virtual reality using haptic gloves. As per Business Insider, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg is quite serious about his ambition in mainstream virtual and augmented reality, and the company has been working hard to turn them into reality. In a video posted on Meta on Tuesday, Zuckerberg could be seen wearing a VR headset and haptic gloves to virtually play games like chess, Jenga, and to shake hands virtually. With the post, Zuckerberg said, Meta's Reality Labs team is working on haptic gloves to produce a realistic sense of touch in the metaverse. The haptic gloves provide the appearance that you are touching objects in the metaverse by simulating pressure and vibration. In the video, Mark can be seen rolling dice and fist bumping an unseen opponent. Facebook claims that it has been working on these gloves for 7 years and that it is continually improving them. According to an official statement, while we're still in the early phases of this research, the idea is to one day combine the gloves with your VR headset for an immersive experience like playing in a metaverse concert or poker game. According to TechCrunch, Facebook is also developing an augmented reality wrist bracelet that will translate motor signals from the brain and allow users to move digital objects with a wave of their hand. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates.